Frederick Barbarossa, the emperor who united the Holy Roman Empire and left behind a legacy of strength and mystery. His reign shaped medieval Europe, but his death remains one of history's great enigmas. Born into a noble family in 1122, Frederick was crowned Holy Roman Emperor in 1155. He quickly asserted his authority, uniting the empire's fractured states and becoming one of the most powerful rulers of his time. Frederick didn't just rule Europe, he took his ambitions to the Holy Land. In 1189, he joined the Third Crusade, marching alongside other great kings like Richard the Lionheart to reclaim Jerusalem. Barbarossa's reign wasn't without conflict. He challenged the power of the papacy, seeking to restore imperial authority over the church. His disputes with Pope Alexander III nearly tore the empire apart. In 1190, Frederick met an unexpected end while crossing the Salef River. The emperor, who had survived countless battles, drowned under mysterious circumstances, leaving behind an empire in shock. Frederick's legacy as Barbarossa, or Red Beard, lives on. He became a symbol of strength and unity in Germany, and legends say he sleeps beneath the mountains, waiting to rise again in Germany's hour of need. Though Frederick Barbarossa's reign ended in mystery, his legend never died. According to myth, the emperor waits beneath the mountains to return and reunite his empire. His legacy endures as one of the greatest leaders of the Middle Ages. If you enjoyed this story about Frederick Barbarossa and his legendary life, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more stories about world-changing figures. Here's a question. Do you think legends like Barbarossa's inspire hope or create impossible expectations? Let us know your thoughts in the comments.